We already created a logo as well as a banner, and we already downloaded a logos. The downloaded logo we have been updated in a drive also. We have been updated in a Google Drive also. We already know that how to upload a photos, images into Google Drive. Once you have been done with that, now we are going to create a visiting cards. For example, I would like to create a visiting card. From where we can create, go to create design. I will just type visiting card, select that one. It will open up the visiting card section. I need to upload some photos. In the sense, I would like to get my logo back, downloaded logo. I would like to upload here. So what we can do, we can say upload. Okay, here upload media. Here images, upload media, and from a Google Drive. If it is there in a system, you can directly upload from a system also by using a device. I will be stored in a Google Drive. So select Google Drive, connect to the which Google Drive account you would like to create. Connect, just say allow. It has been connected. So that these are the three photos we have in a Google Drive. Okay, these are the folders we have in a Google Drive. Here Google Drive has been created. So directly you can utilize these things to create a card. Here the card is already there. If you go to a templates, okay, you can see these are the different templates we have for the visiting card creation. The modern templates are there. You can use any of the templates to create a visiting card, so it will look better compared to your competitors visiting card. You can have a better visiting card. Here the fitness business, okay, dental business, for each and everything. For example, I say education. Okay, some of the new style visiting cards has been shown. Okay, we can select any of the one, the new style one, you can select them. The front and back both are given here. You can apply both to get a front and back side. So apply both. Here you can change the name. Okay, you can change the name, and here you can select. If you like to add any of the logo or anything, you can go to Google Drive where you have installed. Select that particular logo, which one you would like to add. Okay, selected here. Now you can see. Okay, you can crop like this. Okay, then move it where you like to place it there. Okay, second page, here bottom you have a second page. You can modify the information like office, okay, home, email, everything you can change here by directly using this particular thing. If you like to change size of this one, you can change the size. Or if you like to change the color, again go to color and change background color, selected background, and change the background color. If you like to create your own, you can select here add pages. Here you can select, for example, I will add a first like this. Will crop image, background color I will make it as a white. Okay, then we can give the name by selecting here text, heading, name. Wherever you require, you can keep name and address, email, everything you can keep writing. Okay, here address. Okay, you can keep writing a like email. Like this you can keep writing a things as you are required for a business card. Directly you can print a business card from the Canva itself, or you can download here by using a download option. Download it in a PDF or JPG or PNG format, or you can directly print the business card from the Canva itself. They will courier, but it will for Indian it will be very difficult because US based company. So we can download it and you can locally get printed your business card. Like this you can use any templates here. Modern templates are there for your business card. You can use any of the modern templates. Okay, any of the modern templates for creating a business card. You can see these templates will look better when you are going with any clients. Okay, it will be a giving a better look for you when you are sharing your business card with any of the one. Okay, both pages in the sense back, front and back page you can get printed locally, so that you can able to share your business cards. Okay, like this you can create a business card. Here we have been taught you how to use a template, as well as using a template everything is easy. Uploading a file through Google Drive, we already learned how to use Google Drive to upload a file and how to utilize that stored file, reutilizing a stored file into your design. Okay, this was a main thing I wanted to give in a visiting card.